Today, I'm going to show you on how to perform computer disassembly and assembly. Let's start. Step 1. Unplugging. Step 2. Opening the outer shell. Removing the system fan. Step 4. Removing the CPU fan. Removing the CPU. Step 6. Removing the power supply. Step 7. Removing the hard drive. Step 8. Removing the memory. And for the last step, remove the motherboard. And that's it. We're now done performing computer disassembly. We're now going to proceed with computer assembly. Step 1. Installing the motherboard. 2. Installing the memory. Step 3. Installing the hard drive. Step 4. Installing the power supply. Installing the CPU. Installing the CPU fan. Seven. Installing the system fan. Step 8. Closing the outer shell. And for the last step, plugging all the cables. that's it. That is how we perform computer assembly. Thank you.
Hi, it's me again, Jericho. So now I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to install an operating system, which is Windows 7, using a bootable flash drive. Okay, so before you start installing Windows 7 using your bootable flash drive, the first thing that you need to do is you need to insert or connect your flash drive to your desktop computer, but this time I'm using a netbook for this demonstration. So let's just restart or turn on our computer. Okay, and then once it's starting up or turning on, we need to go back to the boot device priority, or for this one we can just press F9 continuously so we can go to the boot device order. Let's just wait. Okay, so we have it now here. So it says here for changing the boot device order we need to press F9. So we already pressed F9. So all we have to do is wait. Okay, so remember we have here two choices. The first one is the hard drive of the laptop or the desktop computer or your notebook, or the flash drive. So of course we're going to select the flash drive and then press enter. And then it says here press any key to boot from USB, so you need to be quick with that. So just press any key, but preferably we use or we press enter. So it's loading the files now. Okay, there you have it. We are now about to start installing Windows 7. Okay, so for the defaults, let's not change anything on this one. Let's just click next and then click install now. Okay, let's now choose the version, but we all know that for this notebook we can only use Windows 7 Starter 32-bit. So let's not select any of these choices anymore and just go with the default, which is Windows 7 Starter 32-bit. So let's just click next, and then for the license agreement you just need to click I accept or I agree. Click the checkbox or I accept text and then click next, and then let's just choose custom. After choosing custom, we have here the drives. Let's first clean the drives, so we just need to click drive options and then click format and then click OK. After that, let's go with the system. Let's click format and then click OK. And then so now we'll delete both. Click delete, then OK. And then the other one too. Click delete. And OK. So let's just install Windows 7. Let's just make one primary hard drive or drive for this one, which is drive C. We just need to click new, then just click apply. We do not need to divide the hard drive anymore. Click apply and then click OK. After clicking apply and OK, okay, there you have it. You now have the primary. Remember, we will install the operating system on drive C or the primary, and our primary is 465.7 gigabytes. So let's just click next. and all we have to do is just wait, and let's come back with this later. Okay, so we now have here the continuation of our Windows 7 installation. So it's still ongoing, and we need to wait while this is happening. So your computer will start several times, but you just need to be patient with it. Do not panic if it starts several times. Then that's okay. That's how it goes, the installation of an operating system or any Windows version. So let's just wait furthermore. Okay, so after several starts, we are about to finish installing Windows 7 Starter. So we need to put a username and the PC name on this part. So I'll just type in my surname and keep the default computer name TanPC. Then I will just click next. Okay, so it's gonna ask, oh, we missed that one, so let me go back. Okay, so we're going to put a password after we type in our username and computer name. But for me, in my opinion, you don't need a password, not yet. Okay, so you just need to click next. Okay, and then for this one, for the updates, just click ask me later. And then for the time zone, I usually use Taipei, Taiwan, which is around the same time as our time here in the Philippines. So there you go, and then check if your date and time is correct. So okay, we're almost done. Then click next. So it's gonna finalize the settings. So let's just wait, and let's just wait. Okay, it says welcome. Okay, let's just wait. It's preparing our desktop. Okay, so that's it. We have now Windows 7 installed on our computer, our laptop or desktop computer, using a bootable flash drive. So that's it. Hey, it's me, Jericho. So now I'm going to show you how to install an operating system using the bootable flash drive that we did from the previous chapter. Okay, so first is you need to set up your desktop computer. Okay, and then after that you need to prepare your flash drive, which has the operating system on it, the one that we did on the previous chapter. Here it is. Okay, so first tip is, before you install your operating system from your bootable flash drive, you need to insert your flash drive. Dapat nakakabit na agad yung flash drive nyo bago nyo pa i-on yung desktop computer, no? So, ikabit nyo lang yung flash drive nyo sa kahit saan port, but preferably dun siya sa mga port sa likod. And then, of course, next is you need to turn on your desktop computer or your laptop. So, while you are turning it on, now you need to go to the BIOS. Okay, so while it's turning on, you just need to continuously press delete or F12 so you can go to the basic input and output system of your desktop computer or your laptop. So I'm continuously pressing delete for this one. So let's just wait bago siya makapasok sa BIOS. Okay, so there you have it. nakapasok na tayo ngayon sa BIOS ng ating desktop computer. We are now in the basic input and output system of our desktop computer. So as you can see here, we have several tabs: main, advanced, chipset, boot, security, and the others. So we need to go to boot, to the boot tab, and then first let's set our flash drive as the hard disk or the hard drive. So you need to go to the hard drive priorities, and then after that, as you can see earlier, our flash drive brand is the SanDisk, so let's put it on the first boot option. So now it's in the first boot option. Let's go back. Okay, now from the boot device priorities, we need to set our flash drive again as the first boot option. So if you're done setting it as the first boot option, so we need to escape now. We need to exit our BIOS, and then so we can proceed to installing our operating system. So we just need to press F10, and then let's just press another yes. Okay, now it's gonna read the flash drive, so you just need to be quick with this one. If it says press any key to boot from the flash drive, you just need to press any key, or literally any key, but of course for some they just prefer to press enter. Okay, I hope you saw that one. That was the thing that I was talking about a while ago. So your computer is now loading the operating system. So let's just wait. This will really take a long time to finish. Okay, so here we go. We have now here the operating system. It's Windows Server 2008, which is usually used as servers for companies, banks, schools, other types of businesses and establishments. So let's start installing our Windows Server 2008 for this one. So for this one, let's just use the default presets, the language, and then let's just click next, and then click install now. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, so now we have here the different versions of Windows Server 2008. So for this one, let's just use the standard or the full installation, and then let's just click next. After clicking next, you don't need to read the whole license agreement thing here. We usually just look for the I agree or I accept the license terms, then check it, and then click next. Then after that, let's just use custom installation. After choosing custom installation, our drives will appear. So all you have to do is format the drives. Just click a drive, and then click drive options, and then clean it first. Okay, another tip, you need to clean your drives first before you install another operating system. So just to make it sure that it's clean and free from errors or bad sectors or viruses, so you just click format and then click OK. Let's just wait. Now it's formatting, or in short, it's cleaning our hard drive. Okay, so it's done cleaning our hard drive. Let's just click the other one, the system reserve. Okay, then if the drive options doesn't appear, you can just go back to the disk partition 2, start to delete it, click delete, and then click OK. After you delete the other one. Let's delete the first drive. Okay, so now it's just a single drive. So what we need to do here is just click next, so you can start installing Windows Server 2008 on this one. Okay, so this is where the real waiting happens. No? So we have to do nothing here. Let's just wait, and let's come back later when this is all done. Okay, so we're almost halfway on installing Windows Server 2008. So as you can see, we waited for a few minutes while this is happening. So let's just wait furthermore. Okay, so there you have it. Our PC restarted several times. And now we're on the next part of installing Windows Server 2008, and we're almost done. Let's just wait for a few more minutes for this one to finish. Okay, so we're almost done. So it says here that the user's password must be changed before logging on the first time. So let's just click OK. So as you can see, I've put away my keyboard because it's not working. So what are we going to do when this happens? So if you don't have a keyboard with you, so you can just use the on-screen keyboard that we have here. So you just click this button here, the ease of access button, and then you can just look for the on-screen keyboard that we have here. So you just need to select this one, the on-screen keyboard, and then you click apply, and then after clicking apply, you just need to click OK. Okay, let's go back with that one. After that, after you click OK, you can just exit, and you have now your on-screen keyboard. So let's just type a password for this one. Usually the password for this one is combination of uppercase and lowercase letters with special symbols and alpha and other characters. Okay, so let's just use the word password, but let's use alphanumeric and numbers and uppercase letters and lowercase letters for this one. Okay, so I'll press shift, use capital letter P, then another shift sign, use the @ sign, and then double lowercase s, W, and then instead of using 0, instead of using O, I'll use 0, and then I'll use R, and then a capital D. So let's just type here, retype the password, another capital letter P, shift again, @ sign, double S, W, use 0, and R, and then capital letter D. So another tip, okay, do not ever forget your password. So after typing your password, you can just exit your on-screen keyboard and then go to next. Okay, so it's changing now your password. So it says here your password has been changed, or in other words, you have successfully changed your password. So you just click OK. Okay, it's preparing your desktop. Okay, there you have it. You are now using Windows Server 2008. So that will be your server operating system for Test the Computer System Servicing NC2 assessment. So, thanks a lot. Thank you, and I'll see you some other time soon. Thank you.